am committed to doing everything I can to raise standards for every child. Today I am announcing a programme of targeted support to drive up attainment in literacy, maths and science, backed by an additional £1.1 million this year. This programme will bolster the existing good work in our schools. We will expand professional learning to help children develop a love for reading, provide targeted support for younger learners struggling to read by expanding the RIL project delivered by Bangor University, which has seen children gain between 6 and 12 months learning in their reading. Widen the provision available through the Maths Support Programme Wales, including masterclasses for secondary school age learners. Increase support for science programmes, including translation of free resources for science teaching and expanding Girls in STEM initiatives. Improve parental engagement with speech and language through the Talk With Me project, and produce more materials and tools to support professionals in their work.